successful. Nabayaran natin siya bayad.
Ang sarap nito. Oh my gosh, sarap nito.
Bawal ang mga cards dito. Shantou Temple Station, McDonald's. Nagulat ako. Ang ganda. We're done. Nasampulan si Jax Reyes ngayon. Even itong mga mushroom, guys. Perfect to sa init na weather. So, may milk. Okay guys, basically, I'm in Taipei now. And kakalan ko lang. And, oh my gosh, I'll be here very quick kasi kailangan naman ako gawin. And, I'll let you know naman tomorrow. But, oh my gosh guys, tingnan nyo. I love Archie so much. Kadila ni Archie Kaya. Oh my God! Naaliw ako. And then, yung mga message ko kay Arch. Kasi sa loob ako ng plane. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I love them. Gusto ko na starstruck naman ako. Anyways, yeah, I love Kaya. So, hindi pa kayo nakikinig ng kanta ni Kaya na Kaya, walang biruan. Basta, you have to listen. Anyways, Taiwan, anything that you might need in Taiwan. Number 1, Taiwan e-arrival card. Lahat via app yan. I do have a step-by-step instructions there as well. So, importante na ma-accomplish nyo yan. Second, when you're going to Taiwan and Taipei, you have yung Lucky Land mo. So, gawin nyo na rin yun. Okay, so guys, hindi na nila kailangan tingnan yung arrival card mo. Basta na-complete mo siya, it's fine. You don't need to show it na. Passport is good. Fingerprint, that's it. And then yung Lucky Land sa labas, so makita nyo later. Sorry, starstruck pa rin ako kasi, oh my gosh, si Kaya! So, we're gonna do the Lucky Land. Step 1 is the lottery area. My gosh! Tingnan natin. Let's go here. Ayan yung mga signs ha, kung winning or not winning ka. So, let's hope that we win something. English. And then guys, isa-scan mo yung QR from the Lucky Land ha. Oh my gosh, start. Ay, wala. So, oh well, enjoy your trip. It's okay. Guys, nag-clock transfer ako. So, ayan, nakita na nila yung name ko here. Pero if ever niyo siya makita, nandyan lang siya. Kanina kasi makawala. Ang bilis ko kasi nakalabas. Sorry, nagmamadali ang lola. Pero ayan, yun yung name ko. So, yung trip na to, ang gagawin natin, ito try natin kung how digital it is. Meaning, kung can you do cashless. So, challenge na ngayon. Hindi ako pwede mag-cashless ngayon because hindi ako nag-train, di ba? Nagpa-pick up ako. But, we're going to see the trains para malaman nyo kung pwede ba tayo mag-cashless or not. Diba? Yun yung kailangan natin malaman. If I'm not mistaken, from the last time I'm here, kailangan mo talaga yung train ticket nila here. Pero malaman natin, I have tomorrow pa naman to do this para makita natin. And magsa 7-Eleven tayo, yung mga ganun as well. Yan na guys, we got a car. Oh my God, may patubig pa sila. Ang cute. Thank you. Guys, we're here. Renaissance Hotel. Ito ang hotel ko for today. And nakita ko na may 7-Eleven dyan. Merong McDonald's. May mga milk tea. Boosh! Maganda ang hotel ko. So, I am happy. Okay, check-in na tayo. I got a 1310 na room, guys. Papakita ko sa inyo. Nagulat ako. Ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga. Okay, unahin natin itong room tour. So, nandito yung luggage rack mo with your safety deposit. And, syempre, nandito yung other drawers mo. Slippers niya, ganda. Nandiyo yung mga hangers mo, iron board, tas, guys, bedside table, plug, universal, USB. Meron kang charger dyan. If ever kailangan mo yan. That's the 2K, 2 twin na nakuha ko kasi parang mas mura siya versus kumuha ko ng isang single. Ganun yung price niya. Curtains mo, nandito. Tables mo, lahat nandito rin. So, later natin siya paglalaruan, guys. Okay. And then, ito yung TV mo. This is the Hotel Resonance. And basically, the first tapestry collection. Kaya medyo maganda talaga yung hotel. And nagulat ako na maganda talaga siya. Okay. And then, this is your restroom. Toto po siya. So, may bidet. And then, meron ka dito, very Japanese style. You have your soap. We have to wash everything that you need. Not only that, nandito ang bathroom mo na isa. Bathtub, tubig is provided, liquid soap, diba, lotion mo, lahat nandyan. Basurahan mo, weighing scale, towel, shampoo, conditioner, lahat nandito. Bathtub, meron. Ito yung station, nandyan siya. Makita niyo yan, may Family Mart pa. Ang ganda ng location nito. And then, of course, this is your sofa with your table. Not only that, nandito coffee mo, Nespresso, kettle mo, may dalawang water pa rin siya. This is a welcome gift. Buksan natin yan in a bit. And then, nandito lahat ng kailangan mo. May tea, and may post-it sila dito. Ang cute sobra. Plus, ball pen. And then, not only that, yes, you have a mini fridge. And, guys, libre po to. It's our treat. So, libre ang drink mo. May juice, may tea, and then meron ka pang custard dyan. Ice box if ever you need it. Okay, now, papakita ko lang sa inyo here para makita niyo yung view ko. Nandiyan yung Taipei bus station, may McDonald's sa tapat, merong Family Mart dyan sa tapat, nandito yung Shantou Temple na station, plus another Shantou Temple station there. So, kahit anong labasan mo, merong kang station. Then, there's another Family Mart daw sa bandang likod nito. Ang ganda, guys! So, natutuwa lang ako dito. So, this is very different from the hotels that I usually stay in. But, yun lang masasabi ko. Ang ganda! Natutuwa ako. And they're so sweet. Meron silang message, oh. Welcome to the restaurants. Thank you for staying. And of course, it's all their signatures, diba? It's a very unique, hotel. And then they have rice pop na snacks. Kasi welcome gift nila to. And you also have a black gold xiancao ata to. Mesona tea. Medyo parang gusto ko to i-try, Okay. 24 calories lang for this whole. We will try. Anyways, yun siya. Resonance to. It's a Hilton hotel. So you can either book with your Hilton or if ever, definitely buy a Klook. I have all my promo codes there. If ever gusto nyo gamitin. If you ever wanna stay here as well. Sorry guys. Nagagandahan talaga ako. I love it! Gosh guys, ang pait nitong tsaa. I love it! Parang pait siya. Para siyang grass jelly na walang asukal. Ganun. Pait. Ganun. Sinampal ka ng kapaitan. Kasama ko sa elevator yung delivery. Hello naman. Ang cute mo. Tatrabaho pang lola mo, kaya always alis ako. Guys, so may 7-Eleven dyan. Tapos may McDonald's pa dito. Tapos may 7-Eleven pa doon. Wait lang, iniikot ko sa inyo with you guys. So bukas, syempre, dapat i-photo ko na mas maganda, di ba? Pero, girl, in fairness, ang gandang location. Ang ganda pa ng labas. Ay, I'm very happy. I have no regrets with the hotels that I've going to, I'm very, very masaya. Shantou Temple Station, McDonald's, yun na yung hotel. And then 7-Eleven, Family Mart. Guys, so masarap niyan. Coca-Cola, I want the fiber. Phantom Pepper Karaage, parang masarap to. I think we should try this. Ito, let's try this. Successful, nabayaran natin siya via the GCash card. Total bill ko was 173. So, pwede. And then now, iinitin ko na dito yung microwave nila. Ito yung mga iinit natin. So, nandiyan yung instructions. Number 6. 6 yan. 6. And then, automatic na yan. Fresh milk. Corn milk. Miwa. Miwa. Popcorn pala yun. Ay, meron tayong pwede kumonto. Para kasi mainit. Diba? By the way, I was charged GCash for 335.79. So, titignan natin sa Visa. Parehas. Titignan natin yung food. So, nag-switch na ako ng camera kasi sometimes hindi talaga nag-a-allow to video in 7-Eleven kasi dati napagsabihan na rin ako. I'm just trying to avoid that. So, yun lang. And then, ang lapit lang. Ito na, diretso na lang ako. It's my hotel na. That's the other station. Okay, let's check it. So, para tapos na muna lahat, i-check ko na rin yung visa. Ay! Hindi kasi nag-aano. So, i-check na natin. So, 335.79 kasi siya, di ba? Yes, guys, pwede rin natin gamitin yung C-Bank. We will also try that tomorrow para iba-iba lang ngayon. So, Visa Forex 173 to, di ba? So, let's do it now. Sabay-sabay natin siyang gawin. 173 Taiwan dollar, 2 PHP, and then 0 ang bank rate. So, 335.79. Same. 0 yan. Stale True News. Anyways, guys, let's try the chicken that I got. So, yung una kong chicken yung ito. Ito yung second na chicken na pinili ko, di ba? Nakikinig ako sa Kaya kasi nga si Archie, di ba? Natuwa ako doon. Thank you so much, Arch. And then ito yung chicken na isang try ko. So I wanna try this spicy one. Gusto ko guys, wala akong nakuhang kutsara. Ay, parang chopsticks. Usually kasi hindi sila mimigay. Pero okay lang naman. Meron ako dito fork. So, I'll just try this chicken.
Ang sarap nito. Oh my gosh, sarap nito. May pagka-KFC to na vibes. Parang 11 spices and herbs, ganon.
Oh my gosh, ito pala, isang malaking... Hindi nagbapasa eh. May buto to guys kasi drumstick talaga siya. As in drumstick. Ay! May camera. Let's try this ha. Mas masarap yung isa guys. Ox lang to. This one's okay lang. Medyo hindi ko ta-type first. Parang may pagka-taste yung chicken niya na hindi giving. Ito, ang sarap. Parang peas to. So, masikat to sa Taiwan. Sarap ito. So, if ever. Anyways, yun muna. Freshen up ako and then tomorrow is a new day. Kukuha ako ng ice sa baba and then may laundry pa sila dito. So, parang gusto ko na siya makita. Guys, ito na yung gym. So, syempre, tingnan na rin natin. Nandito na rin naman tayo, di ba? Guys, ito yung gym niya, oh. You can get free water, may ice. Tapos, ito yung gym niya. Guys, ang ganda! Guys, oh, Precor yan. Sikat yan na machine. In fairness, marunong ako gumamit dyan dahil tinuturuan ako ng coach ko. Guys, may tubig. You can get bottled water pa here. Okay, tapos tingnan natin yung laundry. Laundry. So, I think hindi na ako makakabukas because today, close na siya. Pero, ayan o. Bukas ko na siya makita. Pero yun yung laundry mo sa loob, guys. And then, libre yan. Free. Close na siya kasi parang till 10 o'clock lang siya. So, sabi na, reminder John, mga pag 9 o'clock na, dapat maglaba ka na. Guys, ang ganda. Pak. My gosh, ang ganda ko. Is ayan yung ice machine mo. And then, look, pwede. Credit card payment dito. Ay, taray. O, di ba? Sige, bili tayo niyan. And dito mo pwedeng bilhin yung other things na wala kang dala, if ever. So, dito, ping ice. Ping plus shui. Ice and water. And then shui is water. Oh, ganda ng ice na yung maliliit. Ayan, so we'll try. Itong milk puff na lang yung 109. Feeling ko masarap yan. 40. O, pwede yan mas mura. Okay. And then, try natin credit card. Kasi pwede daw, di ba? Go paperless. So, itatap natin yung phone natin here. 40. All. Ayan. So, we'll try 77.88 ang charge sa atin. Okay, so the same, it is 77.88 for SeaBank. So, 0% rin ang kanyang foreign transaction fee. So, ang rate niya for today is 1.94702.49. Comparing it kanina is 1.940977. 940,977. Siya is 9470. Pero medyo almost the same. Medyo 2 hours, 3 hours apart lang naman siya. Ang difference lang, titingnan natin yung syempre kay SeaBank is usually nagkakaroon ng cashback si SeaBank. So, I think kailangan ko lang siya intayin kasi nagpo-posting in progress pa rin siya. So, malalaman natin kung mag-post na siya, then I will also see the cashback. Kasi di ba may cashback si SeaBank? As we were speaking, nandyan na yung notification sa akin. Meron na akong 0.78 cents na cashback. Yan yung sinasabi ko, di ba? Meron na siya. Guys, sinasabi ko, di ba? Kung nag-visa tayo, yung 40 na yun is 77.63908. Yung kanina, ang charge sa'yo is 77.88. Diba? So, kaya sinasabi ko, iba talaga yung forex nilang dalawa. So, Visa would usually give you the better forex, ganyan. Okay, now, ima-minus natin yung cashback na nakuha natin, diba? So, yung cashback na nakuha natin doon is 1% nun, diba? So, we will get 1%. So, kung sa GCash, if doon sa SeaBank, I mean, 77.88 times 99 So, magiging 77.1012 na lang ang charge sa akin. So, mas mura siya compared to the GCash one, 77.639 because of the 1% cashback. So, that's why if you have both of those cards, di ba, so far, ito yung gamit natin, GCash and the CBank, yes, nag-work silang dalawa. Then, if you do have the CBank, why not? Gamitin mo rin siya kasi may 1% cashback. The 1% is big. Yun nga lang, pag nakuha mo na yung 1,000 cashback every month, maximum cashback mo yan for the month, 1,000. Kung naka 1,000 ka na, go to the GCash card mo na. Kasi hindi mo, wala, mas mahal na yung rate technically doon sa CBank card and then you don't get the cashback na. I hope this helps. Pero both cards so far works. Doon sa ATM plus 7-Eleven, yes. Guys, so actually, walang breakfast area dito. But if you got the breakfast option, and I got points naman for breakfast, they have an app here. It's called their HRT app. Tapos dito, pwede ka mag-order sa Starbucks nila kasi kasama yung Starbucks nila dito. So, ayan, no? Then you can even pre-order your meal. Tapos titingnan mo yung time mo. Pero for tomorrow na to, nandito yung coffee. Talaga Starbucks yung mga laman niya. Sandwiches, lahat nandito. So, kasama na siya. Then you can just pick it up. Kung wala naman, no problem kasi you can buy in front or buy sa store. You just have to show them the QR code, which is like here. O, diba? Yun yung QR code mo. And then, hotel guest 10% discount on food and beverage. Galing, diba? Anyways, I'll show you the harap or yung view ng hotel ngayon. Kasi here, makita mo merong McDonald's. Then, you have the 7-Eleven in there. Plus, may 7-Eleven dyan. Station exit 3 of Shantou Temple is here. And then exit number 4 is there. Talagang pinalibutan ka. May grocery dun sa harapan nun. May milk tea dyan, yung 50. Pafang, if I'm not mistaken, Pafang should be dumpling. So that's a dumpling store just in front. Masarap yun. Then you have a family mart pa there. So today, I'm going to go to the temple. But for anything else, I'm gonna make coffee. Etong pen, I want this. And this one, I want this. So iuwi ko siya. Oh my gosh, may envelope at paper rin. Iuwi ko to. As somebody na mahilig magsulat-sulat, marami akong susulatin. Gagawa pa ako ng scripts. And gagawa ako ng kape kasi may Nespresso sila dito. Ang init. Nagpa-fog yung buong camera ko, guys, because ang lamig ng kwarto ko. Anyways, I'm going to the temple right now. So, train na muna ako. And the train station is so near kasi bosh, nandiyan lang siya sa harapan. No? Ay, may PX Smart. Ayun yung sinasabi na PX Smart. And it's just by Shantou Temple. Oh, di ba? Guys, ito yung ATM na pwede nyo gamitin to withdraw using your GCash card. Kasi walang withdrawal fee to. So, I'll show it to you. Savings, di ba? And then, dapat defer. And your receipt, guys, o diba? And then titignan mo, yun yung transaction, guys. So, ATM withdrawal, 389.78. O diba, mas mababa. Guys, may mga machines like this. Kasi meron ako nabili dating IC card. Ito, kailangan mo talaga ito sa train eh. And malalaman mo kung may pera pa. So, 477 pa. Okay. And then guys, dahil magta-train tayo, kailangan ganito yung mga trains mo. You either buy a single journey, kasi pwede ka mag-single journey ticket, tapos titingnan mo kung magkano yung fare depending on the route. Diba? So example, from Shantou Temple ako, pupunta ako ng Longshan, which is 20. So bibili ako ng 20 via the machine, diba? Ganyan. Pero kung gusto ko mag-reload naman kasi may pass ako, top up, put your card here, and then I still have magkano, and then maglalagay ako, dahil naka-withdraw na tayo kanina, so inalagay ko yung 100 ko. Then next. And then, okay na, kunin ko na siya. Bawal ang mga cards dito, so sadly, you really have to use your train card. So guys, follow it. Kung saan siya nakalagay, dun lang siya. Kung Longshan BL10, yan, dyan tayo pupunta. Lang natin, di ba kanina, yung nag-withdraw tayo, 389.77. Dapat with zero bank fee, tayo $1 to PHP. And then, if we're going to use the GCash, 389.78 siya. $20 rin. So, sa Taiwan, hindi talaga, like, lagi ako pupunta, di ba? I love Love it here. In short, hindi talaga siya pwedeng mga card to pay, tap to pay. As in, it doesn't work. It will never work that way. So, if ever gusto mo, kailangan mo talaga bumili ng train card. Pero nabibili mo siya sa 7-Eleven. Tapos marami siya mga cute cards katulad ito. Medyo cute, diba? So, nabili ko yun sa 7-Eleven. And then, kung gusto mo yung pinaka-basic na cards, nabibili mo siya sa train station. Pero yung mga ganito, nasa 7-Eleven, Family Mart, ganyan. Papakita ko sa inyo kung magkano yan later. In fairness, itong trip ko na to, I'll show you the temple. I'll just do the task that I need to. Ay, pumunta talaga ako dito to pray talaga. I really wanted to pray. I think, alam niyo naman yung nangyari sa akin. That's why, it's my dad's favorite temple. So, one of his, I think. So that's why parang napag-decided ko na ako pupunta ako. Kaya ang bilis na trip ko, sakto sabi ko, gawa na rin ako ng content and ginawa ko tong content na to similar sa Hong Kong, diba? So that's why Taiwan naman ngayon, ganun siya. Okay, so under construction pala yung side ng part ng temple here. Parang, dati kasi nakakalusot ka dyan. Pero ngayon, na-construct siya. But it's okay. Wala namang problema. Ang init lang. So dati park na to, guys. Tumatawid ka dyan from the station. But now, construction. So, we'll cross it there. Ang masasabi ko, ang init talaga. Oh my gosh guys, ang peaceful today. I think kasi maaga. At saka hindi weekend. Ang peaceful, di ba? Hindi na ako mag-show ng marami. We're done. Said thanks, and I think I remember my dad always say you structure, and if I remember correctly, parang yung isang monk rin nagsabi, when you pray and when you go to the temple, you actually should number one give thanks muna to everything that you have and everything that you got before humingi. Kasi diba sometimes we always just ask for things, but I think that's the wrong reason na you ask for things. So you should give thanks kung ano man binigay sa'yo. Then, if ever meron kang konting hiling, ihuli mo siya. Ganda, no? Ng structure. Guys, some stations will have this new payment system or multi-payment kasi pwede na to mag-cards, diba? So, itatry rin natin siya para pakita ko sa inyo. Top up. You put your IC card sa IC sensor, diba? And then, top up tayo. Okay, I think itatap natin yung sensor. Magkano ba? Ayaw niya eh. Insert bill siya eh. Wait. Ayaw. Hindi ko magana. Fake news siya. Okay guys, nagets ko na. Ang travel pass lang pwede mong bilhin. So if ever may 1 day, 24 or 48 hours, and then, pwede ka mag-payment via credit card. Ganun lang siya. Yon siya. Hindi pala pwede mag-top up. Okay, yung mga machines na yan, pwede ka lang for periodic pass. Hindi siya pwede pang top up. So, pag magta-top up ka, cash pa rin. Guys, since I have time, I wanna go to the Taiwan MRT. Ay, Taoyuan pala dun. Ayan, yung Taoyuan MRT to go to the airport. Gusto ko tingnan at gusto ko malaman kasi if we're going to pay. Kasi di ba kahapon hindi ko maalala eh. Pero naalala ko dati nag-cash ako or nag-credit card ako doon sa airport na transfer. Alam ko pwede. Pero just in case na para sa content natin at para alam nyo lahat kung pwede tayo mag-card doon, I'm gonna go and inquire para at least alam lang natin today. Diba? Guys, yung high-speed rail, ito pwede tayo mag-credit card kasi English, reserved seat, round trip. Guys, kalahati if non-reserved seating, diba? For Taipei to Taichung. Non-member, credit card, pwede. Galing! Okay. High-speed rail, pwede ka mag-credit card if ever gusto mo mag-credit card. So, if you're going to other parts in Taiwan, pwede. Cost-efficient rin siya. And then, you can even buy the system or pwede ka dito sa mga ticket booth. Like this, ticket boothing. Guys, ito yung airport train. Itatry natin siya. Medyo mahabang lakaran to Nakarin natin siya para at least alam nyo na. Medyo may lakad to guys So, from the stop, Taipei Station kasi ako, di ba? So, Taipei Station, medyo may stop, medyo may walk ko. So, yun lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Flat naman siya, pero yun lang. Especially if may senior kayong kasama, sometimes baka mag-airport bus na lang kayo. It might be better. Or, if ever, i-grab nyo na or i-Uber nyo na papunta dito diretso. May in-town check-in pa sila. So in-town check-in dyan, and then the Taoyuan MRT lane is here. Oh my gosh guys, so technically, pwede yung IC card mo, but pwede rin mag-bank card reader, oh. Yes, meron kang credit card, so pwede. Guys, ito yung timetable mo for the train. And then the price is actually, ito yung price, oh. 60 siya, guys, for that. Not bad, sobrang mura niyan. Very affordable yung presyo niya. Okay, I wanna show you, yan yung stop niya. So from Taipei Main Station, it can go to T1 and then T2. Ganun siya. So dapat kunin mo yung express para diretso rather than mag-commuter ka. Ang daming stop nun. And then, ito yung selling machine nila here as well. Pero mga train cards lang pwede dito. Mga IC card, hindi pwede credit card. So doon ka diretso. No, commuter train platform. On the other side guys, yung express train platform, dun ka sasakay to the airport para mabilis ka. So yun yung kailangan mo i-watch out lang. So, ang nakuha natin. Airport train, pwede ka mag-card, pwede mag-tap to pay. The card is possible. Kaya nga naalala ko pa na dati pwede. Pero ito yung bago mo. So yes, confirm na. Ang hindi pwede will be yung doon sa normal trains. Diba? Yung nasa city trains mo. Like the blue line, the red lane, the Tamshui line, Bannan line, the brown line, yon. Yung mga yun bawal. Guys, yung if ever mga pick-up point nyo ganito hahanapin nyo talaga siya. Either bababa kayo or aakyat kayo. Yung mga gano'n. FYI lang siya sa people na, let's say ako, if nag So guys, I'm going to try this hot pot. It's called One Ke Premium Hot Pot. So sinabi to sa akin kahapon, sumundo sa akin sa airport. And then, ito, meron lang siya isang branch dito. Siya, oh my gosh, let's do this. Okay. If merong space, pero mukhang walang space. Pero di mo nanalo sila. Guys, grabe daming tao. It's already 1 o'clock. Guys, ito na yun. And then dadaling ko kayo later sa mga other food. Wala lang akong mic right now, but isa-scan mo rin to. May credit card dito guys, nakita ko na. Ito na siya. English. Perfect, meron English. Okay, so, ayan, tingnan natin na. Yan yung mga specialties nila dyan. May stone hot pot. So, hindi siya parang unlimited. Pero you have hot pot that you might want. So good siya for one and individual, hindi siya sharing. Sabi nila, sobrang daming kakaibang mga food here. May mga house specials rin siya. Then yung sinabi sa akin, pinakamasarap daw nila is yung rice. Meron daw sila rice dito na may fried rice. Itong shrimp, kailangan ko daw i-order yan. Ito. Kasi may, ayan, renchi, meaning talagang gusto yan. Parang bestseller, ganyan. May mga noodles pa sila. Oh my gosh, dami. Guys, yan mo, meron siya all your drink. And then may pa ice cream. And you have slushies. Dito ka gagawa ng sauces mo. And then ang cute nito kasi meron siyang chart dito on how to put your sauce. Or may instructions. Guys, winter melon to. Sarap. Tamis lang. Itong tsaan naman. Okay din. Walang lasa. Mas gusto ko yung walang lasa. Kasi yung isang tamis. Ninix ko to, yung winter melon at saka yung tea. Masarap na. Guys, ito na siya. May one tea.
那个虾仁现在
Medyo simple lang yung broth na to. Pero parang feeling ko okay naman siya kasi yung kinuha ko is the beef. So marami siyang other kinds of flavor din. And then na-upgrade ko siya. Veggies kasi I need veggies na. And then, the veggie platter ko is now here. Oh my gosh, tingnan nyo to. Ang laki oh. Pero you need veggies. So for sure, ipasok nyo yung mga gulay para mas masarap yung soup nyo. Yung mga ito. Yan, lagay nyo yan. Pangpatamis kasi ng sabaw yan. Even itong mga mushroom guys. Kailangan kumain tayo ng veggies. Perfect to sa init na weather. So may milk, honey, at saka roasted longan. Roasted longan. Itong milk. Hindi siya soft serve, parang slushy siya na matigas. Guys, total bill is 703. Pagbayad na tayo, guys. And may card sila, finally. Oh, diba? Yes! I used the China Bank card and now maglalakad ako to go to the bus. Kasi kailangan Chongshan Girls High School. And then, ang bus ko is 202. Okay, guys, so 700. Medyo the same price siya sa mga mala. Pero, nag-order ako sa dalawang beef. Kung wala yun, baka nasa 600 lang. 500. And then, for me, feeling ko quality food talaga siya. Fairness, busog ako. Medyo, busog ha, Jax Reyes, ang ginagawa mo. Pero yun lang. Nasa Eva Air na tayo na office. Cute! Eva Air, hello. Baka naman gusto mo. Gusto ko po kayo rin. Star Alliance. Char. Anyways, so it's kind of unique. So you can try that out if you wanna do it. Yun nga lang, yung mga places niya, hindi siya nasa pinaka-center of like, mga, di ba sa Simanting, alam mo, dami dun, di ba? Pero ito hindi. So yun lang. Pero if you want like Häagen-Dazs, mala pa rin. Guys, ayan yung bus stop oh. So 202. Ayan, 202. 18 minutes. Good luck. Go lang. Guys, so pwede yung mga IC card sa bus. Hindi pwede yung others. Kailangan tap lang. Guys, ayan na oh. And this is the bus stop. Another exit. Tawid na lang. Convenient! Fairness, ang ganda nitong place. Hindi siya, syempre, sobrang lapit na sa city. And, tinan mo, Taipei 101's there na. Ganda! Guys, yung Starbucks niya. Ang cute! Guys, ang ganda ng Starbucks nila here, oh. Yan ang entrance. Ganda! Okay, let's order. So guys, gamitin mo lang to. And then may discount pa tayo. Hindi mo 194 na lang siya. I got my drinks. Pero, tingnan nyo, ang dami pang mga gamit dito. Kung may extra cash ako, guys, bibilhan ko ng merch na lang. Kasi sayang. Guys, oh, umuulan lang till 11 siya. Oh my gosh, guys, look at all these stuff. Natutuwa na naman ang bata kasi nag-grocery ako. Guys, ang daming bilhin. Oh my god, may mga candies pa dito. Wait, bibilin ko muna yung kailangan ni mommy kasi nagpapabili siya sa akin ng mga Vetsin. Pwedeng dalhin yun eh kasi hindi siya meat product and hindi siya fresh produce. Yun lang i-remind ko sa inyo guys ha. Pag uwi, hindi pwede mga fresh produce, yung ganyan. And usually, personal consumption is okay, pero pag sumobra ka na doon, bawal din yun. Against the cost of law. Yun nga lang. Ah, ang laki oh. Alam mo, ang ganda na itong location, itong hotel. Medyo mas mahal lang siya, pero everything that you need is here. Pak! I found it. Ito yung gusto ng nanay ko. Parang mas healthy daw to na Vetsin. Parang ganyan. Kaya ito yung gusto niya. 34 dito kahapon. Binig sa vending 40 to. Masarap to guys. This is also good. Mga puff siya. May mga tinapay rin dito that you can buy oh. Parang ano daw, 20% off. Tapos yung chicken daw 40% off. Narinig ko si ate nagsabi. Alien to ako guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh my god, excited. Coke mo, 30 ang coke mo. Bilang tayo ng isa, iwanan na natin siya sa room. Kasi mas mura. Guys, yung mga Coke mo 28 lang. Pero wala yung fiber plus na gusto ko. Guys, nag-cash ako kasi hindi siya accepted. Guys, so, hindi siya nag-a-accept ng foreign card. So, that's the problem of this shop. So, kailangan cash. Napa-cash ang lola niyo kasi bawal ang international card. So, yun lang pala. You have to be careful kasi some shops, yun yung alam ko sa Taiwan, there are some shops na ayaw talaga. Tinanong niya ako, kuwaway ka? Sabi meaning yun, foreign card. Sabi ko, yes, foreign card. Sabi niya, oh, kuwaway ka po show. Sabi niya, foreign card we don't accept. So, sabi ko, oh, okay. So, sabi ko, okay, it's okay, it's okay. Sabi ko, I have cash. So, yung sin. Sabi ko, I have cash. So, iwan ko lang to. Yun nga lang, ito. So, fail. So, some shops, yun yung iingatan natin. Yung mga iba, like yung dati kong tinitingnan sa likod ng Deja Vu, yung bigger branch ng mga supermarket, ibang brand to. Yun, they accept cards, walang problema. So, yun lang yung kailangan nyong i-worry or kailangan nyo to take precaution lang naman na it's still good to have cash in Taiwan. Kasi sometimes, diba, pinang-inisip natin na, ay, kaya nila lahat yan na walang cash. Pero, nasampulan si Jax Reyes ngayon. Walang card tong place, kaya cash. O, edi okay. Nagamit yung 500 ko, eh, yung pa naman siya gamitin sana. Okay, so the receipt total ko doon was 317. 30 ang original price ko. But less 40, naging 18 na lang. So less 12 yung nakasave ako ng 12. Coke Zero was 30. And then, yung mga kailangan ng mom ko is here as well. So, yeah. Bag ng money ko, pasok ulit yung 100 na to. So, in fairness, kailangan ko na mag-withdraw ulit kasi baka maubusan na ako ng cash na bills just in case kailangan ko. Pero marami pa akong coins. Binili ko to sa Japan. Guys, alam kong gabi na, but di ba kanina I shared na you can buy yung mga train tickets in a train station for sure, but also 7-Eleven for those cute ones. Syempre yung cute ones, mas mahal siya, but di ba, if you're gonna come back, why not? So I'm just gonna go, pakita ko saan area siya para lang makita nyo. There you go. So let's go inside of 7-Eleven. Ito yung mga cute na cards nila, guys. Oh my gosh, it's just like a telephone. Tapos may mga ganito rin as well. Ganyan siya. Tingnan mo kung magkano yung mga ganito. $5.99 ang mahal. Ito, pag ganito, $120. And then pag ganito mga cute, $350. Ganyan yung mga styles niya. Pay for a credit card. Pwede. I use my eSwiss. Gumana siya. Ito yung bill natin. Kaya sasabihin nyo sa akin, chicken na naman. Si Jack Rias mukhang manood na. Hindi talaga ako chicken, guys. I really love chicken. Lasang trash siya talaga, guys. Morning, guys. Nakuha ko na yung buong credits ko kasi masulit siya eh. Plus, nagkaroon pa ako ng basket of cookies dito because ang daming credit. This is biscotti. So, in fairness, may biscotti na kami. And I got my whole breakfast here. And more. So, for sure, may snacks pa to. May egg tart ako. Meron akong croissant. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Naubos ko na yung credit kasi nga sayang. Guys, paalis na ako. And I'm actually checking the Uber prices right now. Medyo mahal yung Uber prices. 1-3 Taiwan dollars siya. So, I'll just get it. I'll try it pa rin naman siya. Pero medyo mahal siya ngayon kasi parang masulit pa rin yung nag-book ka na lang dapat ng advance na car pickup kasi yung sa clock na binook ko nun nasa 1,800 pesos. This one kasi kung converted it will be 2,000 plus, so medyo mahal. Okay, anyways, nandiyan na pala yung car ko. Ang bilis, 1177. So I'll be going. Arrive na siya. Ang bilis, oh. Guys, the easiest way pa rin definitely will be yung train mo. Ay, gusto ko naging blurry na naman. Pero, okay. The easiest pa rin definitely, ay, may gosh, yung ulan. Ang lakas, bumagsak yung ulan. Buti na lang na ganito na ako kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Pero, I'm just sharing na best is yung train, pinakamura yan. Pero, ang pinaka-convenient definitely is Uber. Yun lang, sharing. Guys, nakakaloka. Lumakas bigla. Thank goodness for this. Kasi, grabe. Kung lalakad ako sa station, for sure, basang-basa ka. Blessing in disguise. Yun lang masasabi ko. Gosh, kasi yung ulan. Grabe. Kaya, checking in na tayo, guys. So, let's do this. Philippine Airlines. Since we're here, what we're going to do is just basically, I want to come here early, check in, and then gusto kong pumunta sa baba. I wanna share with you all lahat ng other things na pwede mong gawin sa baba. Like, the train, I wanna check it out before anything else. Guys, reminder here, kailangan nyo gawin yung customs and declaration tax refund. Nasa pinakalikod siya from the entrance. Ayan, kailan nyo muna gawin tong tax refund na system dito. So, isa step by step ko na siya. So, either or kung may paper ka yung tax refund application. And then, check in your passport. And isa-scan mo lang yung passport mo dyan. I currently don't have any. So, wala. Pero followed all the steps. And then, pwedeng credit card, mag-refund na siya para sa'yo. Ganun lang siya. Step, guys, would be ito. Yung tax refund counter na to. If gusto mo cash, dito siya. Sa counter na to. Cash counter. Katabi, ayan o. So, dito, ano yung cash. Currently, I don't have it lang. Pero, I can share it to you. I have it ng mga previous posts ko and even sa TikTok. Currently lang wala ako kasi wala akong binili naman na item. But don't forget na kailangan nyo siya gawin. I always recommend do it first bago ka mag-check-in or bago mo i-check-in yung kailangan mo. Because if ever kailangan hanapin o tingnan yung items, at least sure ka na. Basta do all your tax refund first, yung mga papel-peles niya before you do your check-in. Ganun siya. Para wala ka nang poproblemahin rather than poproblemahin mo pa siya. Diba? So now, anyways, boarding na ako. And isip ko na yung gamit ko. Okay guys, so I just wanna close the vlog basically. Whenever you're gonna ride your bus to trains, you will have a problem kasi hindi siya cashless. So you need to buy the card, yung IC card nila. But if ever you're going to ride the airport train, pwede ka mag-card doon. Tap to pay, gano'n. So, medyo kailangan mo talaga ng train card. Yun yung one thing. If you decide to keep coming back to Taiwan, bumili ka na lang ng IC card nila. Other thing else, yung mga shops, pwede ka mag-card, so walang problema. Restaurants, pwede ka mag-card. Night market, hindi ka pwede mag-card sa mga night markets because sa night market, kailangan mo ng cash. Pero you can withdraw with the GCash that I've tried out before. So yun yung one thing that you can use. Withdrawing, walang withdrawal fee, so okay siya. Yun yung maganda dito. So, GCash card, Cbank card, yun yung magaganda mo pa rin. Low Farts, credit cards for Filipinos. Siyempre, I will be able to try out the China Airlines Lounge kasi this is my first time trying this out. And pagpasok mo sa gates, eto na kagad siya. Aakyat ka na lang here. That's it. So, all of your lounges are in one area. Mauuna yung China Airlines Lounge mo. And let's go in. Straight now. Okay, maganda ang lounge ng China Airlines. Ito yung seating areas nyo. And yes, lahat ng areas may saksakan. So guys, panmuda pa. So meron ka mga breads, croissants, and may coffee. So bahala ka kung ano gusto mo gawin. Oh my gosh guys, may pearl milk tea pa siya. Tingnan mo, pwede gumawa ng milk tea. Oh my gosh guys, may coffee ka pa dito. And then, syempre bumubulong ko kasi tahimik lang. Orange juice, you have all the different drinks. May wine, water. Evian pang water niya, diba? Oh. Tapos red wine kung gusto mo. So, if ever. And then your coffee. Here, may mga soups ka rin. So, everything that you might need is here. So, mga sabaw mo, you have mung bean. Yung mga dessert soup siya. And then, nandito din yung mga street food. You have lumpia, the soup curry ball, the eggs. Oh my god, may Thai green curry, may rice. And then chicken. And then tingnan mo may noodle bar siya here. So you can get all of these noodles. And then make your own noodles. I love. So titinan mo siya. That's how you love it. And then, what else do you have? Everything. May food, cheeses, crackers. And of course, lahat ng mga typical Taiwan. Taro bun, pork barbecue, siomai. And nandito yung other mo, fruits, salad. Ako dito. Hindi ako nag-China Airlines because it's SkyTeam, diba? So hindi ako masyado nagsa-SkyTeam. Pero dahil PAL and China Airlines yung palagi sila partner, so that's why nagagamit sila itong lounge ito. Ito yung medyo sulit. Anyways, I will get the food and we'll try the food kung masarap. And this lounge, maganda. I'm okay with it. I like it. So if you have the chance, try nyo. Ang ganda. So now we'll try the food. Ito parang braised pork to. Braised pork. Kasi ayoko ng beef noodle. Try natin. Flying back na. So guys, alam nyo na diba yung passport ko, I have my small bag every time with me. O diba? So lagay siya dyan. And then guys, tip ko dyan, you can request for this seat. Itong mas maluwag na sila. Sabihin mo lang, be kind. Pero sometimes hindi ka pinagbibigyan. Like, pupunta ko dito. Pag hindi siya masyado full, hindi binibigay ito. This is wider, diba? Kasi ito yung mga front row after the business seats.